What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ Fab. In today's video, guys, we do have another update on Bonk. As you guys can see, over the last few days it has been pumping quite well. However, over the last 24 hours it has been fluctuating quite a bit. As you guys can see, it is currently up 4% in the last 24 hours. It did take a little bit of a drop last night, peaked back up and then dropping back down, so it has been quite volatile. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Bonk. Is it going to pump up? Is it going to crash back down? Or is it going to stabilize at its current price range? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now, and also covering both short-term traders and long-term investors, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what my predictions are on Bonk. However, before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and I will be using this later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can see, we are back up into the dark green zone here, and I am expecting it to resist at this point here, which is the resistance level, but we'll get into that later on. So for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So Bonk still performing above the average value here in purple, so it's still performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we're not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. But again, guys, the reason why I'm expecting it to drop down further is due to the fact that it's been pumping quite a bit over the last couple of days, and not just Bonk but the crypto market in general. I am expecting it to go for a price correction, guys, so it should take a little bit of a step back in value over the coming hours. That's not just for Bonk but the crypto market. Over the coming days, I'm expecting it to hit red days due to the fact that it has been pumping quite a bit. Even Bitcoin did hit about $48,000 earlier today, and right now has dipped down to $46,300, which is quite of a drop, which has had a negative impact on majority of the cryptocurrencies. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from Bonk over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at a lower value than where it is at the moment. But again, in between that time, it is likely to pump up a little bit higher, hitting green days and red days. It is going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the negative side due to the fact that once again I'm expecting the price correction not to be over for Bonk. Even if the crypto market does pump up a little bit, Bonk is likely to start to drop down further. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking a little bit skeptical here. The blue line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. So what does this mean for Bonk? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, late February, early March to mid-March 2024, I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at a much lower value than where it is at the moment, just like how I predicted it since about December when I started making bonk videos. I'm still expecting that. My predictions have not changed. The reason why it's pumped up a little bit over the last, well, not a little bit, quite a bit over the last couple of days, was because the crypto market was moving towards the bullish side. So over the last 7 days, it has pumped up about 35%, which is quite decent, which was not expected. But again, crypto market is unacceptable. Sorry, not unacceptable, unpredictable, with major pumps and drops and so on. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see here, we are currently trading in the dark green zone here. So essentially it should hit the resistance target, drop back down into the dark green zone here, and it should potentially repeat that over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to drop back down into the green zone and back down into the red zone in late January, early February is when I'm expecting it to drop down into the red zone. However, if there are any major updates to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a crash, anything that can have a positive or negative impact on the value of Bonk, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get updated on a regular basis. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by about 10% in the last 24 hours, making it $532 million in trading. Reason for the drop is the day before, which was yesterday, there was a major increase in trading volume, and right now it has started to calm down a little bit due to the fact that the value of Bonk has also flattened out. So not many people are trading it. Most people are just holding back, waiting for it to pump up further or crash back down further. But of course, majority of the people would prefer if it did pump back up, which I am not expecting at the moment. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Bonk, guys. I've seen a lot of people saying that the crypto is likely to hit the 1 cent target, or at least 0.001 cent, which I highly doubt, because for it to do that is going to have to get rid of about 2 zeros, guys, which I'm not expecting to happen anytime soon, because for that to take place it is going to have to go through thousands and thousands of percentage increase, which again I'm not expecting to happen for Bonk anytime soon. But yeah, this is my take on the crypto. Comment down below, how high are you guys expecting Bonk to go in 2024? Comment down below, and how many zeros are you guys expecting Bonk to get rid of in 2024? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.